Hello and welcome to Rifleman Firearms. Today we're going to review Hatsan's latest edition, the Gladius. The Hatsan has a fully adjustable butt pad and also has fully adjustable elevation in the cheek comb, which you can customize to your preference. To load, you simply open the magazine release, pull the side lever back and insert the 10-shot rotary magazine. Then close the magazine release and the side lever once in place. There's also storage for 3 extra magazines. The automatic safety is located in front of the trigger. The Gladius comes with a full-length Picatinny rail for mounting a scope, and 3 additional Picatinny rails for adding accessories such as a bipod. It comes equipped with 2 sling swivels. The probe port is located at the front of the gun, just under the filling gauge. The anti-double loading feature is a superb addition for the forgetful shooter, equipped with a 2-stage fully adjustable quattro match trigger. The overall rifle length is 34 inches and the weight unscoped is 4.65 kilograms. Now we're going to test the rifle on our range. To summarise, we feel this is a very affordable bullpup air rifle when considering as standard the Gladius comes with a gun case, a Hatsan sling, 4 magazines and filling fittings, and fully capable of shooting a competitive group at 30 yards. Join us next time when we review Impact Air Guns GSX 200.